Welcome to PD Hinduja Hospital. Dear all, let us discuss about NABH champion training, fire safety. As an employee of this hospital, as a employee of this hospital, our responsibility is to make sure that we are firefighters. So let's talk about how we can prevent fire in workplace. So what is fire? Let's go to definition of fire. Fire is a triangle of chemical reaction such as oxygen, ignition source and fuel. If you cut any one of these, you can prevent fire. So what are class of fire? Let's talk about class of fire. Class A. Class A is a solid fire. Solid fire, it includes paper, wood and charcoal. How you extinguish such fire? By water, CO2 and dry chemical powder extinguishers. Class B. Class B is a liquid fire. Fire catch due to liquid. What is a liquid? Petrol, diesel, kerosene. How do you extinguish such a fire? You can use foam, mechanical foam extinguisher and DCP in case of emergency. Class C. Class C is a gas fire. What are types of gas is available in hospital? LPG gas, propane, butane. How do you extinguish such fire? Use dry chemical powder. D is metal fire. Metal fire. How do you extinguish metal fire? By using DCP, dry chemical powder, water and CO2. Electric fire. Electric fire happens due to short circuits. You can extinguish this type of fire by CO2 extinguisher. Last is kitchen fire. Due to over excess of oil, the fire get spread. Then use kitchen type of extinguisher. It cannot affect our food quality and extinguish the same. Food is safe. Now let's check out fire extinguishers. There are many type of fire extinguishers available in hospital. First is water. It contains simple water. Next is mechanical foam, dry chemical powder, CO2. So how do you prevent fire? As you know, the fire is a chemical reaction of a fire triangle: oxygen, ignition source and fuel. If you cut ignition source by cooling, then you can cut oxygen by blanketing. Blanketing means spreading of dry chemical powder on fire. You can cut oxygen source. You can cut starvation of fuel. So fire can be prevented. Fire prevention tips. How can you prevent fire in workplace? By good housekeeping. What is good housekeeping? Keep all rags, then paper waste in a proper and maintained conditions, so you can avoid fire. Then fire safety audits, checking of electrical appliances and many various activities to be done for safety audits. Fire safety training, as we know, Hinduja Hospital gives each and every employee a fire safety training. No smoking at workplace, you can prevent fire. Avoid overloading of electrical appliances to the same plug-in. Now look at what kind of arrangements we have done in our hospital to prevent or get alert from fire. These are smoke detectors, hydrant system, water sprinklers, fire blanket. Fire blanket is available in pharmacy on narcotic cupboard. Then fire chairs, smoke mask, stretchers. How do you use your fire extinguisher? By pass method. What is pass method? PASS. Pull the pin of the extinguisher. Aim the base of the fire. Squeeze the trigger and sweep side to side on fire. This is called pass method. Now know about your evacuation plan or evacuation area. Our evacuation area is near lift. What is our refuge area? Our refuge area is kitchen area or 6th floor. Where is our assembly area? Our assembly area is near or Dhote garden, near our building, Dhote garden. Now all of you see, while going in and out of the hospital building, there are lots of signages such as this: in case of fire, do not use lift, use stairs, fire exit, fire alarm call point. Now let's talk about fire safety tips. What do you do in case of fire? Keep calm. Do not panic always. Do not wait to collect personal belongings. Your personal safety is very, very important. You can, if you are safe, then you can make assure to other people safe. Fire marshal is available on duty. They are trained pharmacists or champions. So follow them and take the guidance from them. How do you evacuate? Do not use electrical appliances. Do not use electrical appliances do not use on electrical appliances. Which kind of extinguishers? Water or mechanical foam. You can catch electricity or shock. See the pass system. Pull the pin, aim the base of fire, squeeze the lever and sweep side to side. As an employee of this hospital, it's your responsibility to how do you use your extinguisher, correct extinguisher on type of fire. This is past system. Now, in case of fire, do not use lift. If electricity gone, you can stuck in lift. Use stair always. Look at the scenario in case of fire. Use stairs, crawl through the smoke. If smoke happens, crawl down. Break the glass and alert our fire system. Call 3026 27 3333. Use fire extinguishers. Do not use elevator. Do not waste time on social network. Look at other kind of in case of emergency or fire signages on internet. You can learn from them also. Thank you very much. You are a firefighter. You are a Hinduja employee. So call it healthcare for all. Thank you very much.